Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Wilbert.
And I am Donna. We are so happy to see you again. Are you ready to learn English?
Today is a very exciting day. We are going to a hotel.
Oh, I love hotels. Big beds, clean towels, and no cleaning for me.
That is true. But Donna, traveling can be scary if you don't know what to say at the hotel.
You are right. So today we will help you. We will teach you simple words and sentences to use at a hotel.
Before we start, please click the subscribe button. Join our family.
Yes, and give this video a thumbs up if you like traveling. Okay, Wilbert, let's start. We are at the front desk.
The front desk. This is the first place you go. You see the receptionist.
The receptionist is the person who helps you. Wilbert, you be the receptionist and I will be the guest.
Perfect. Let's practice. Hello, welcome to the sunny hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a reservation. My name is Donna.
Let me check. Donna. Ah, yes, a reservation for 2 nights?
Yes, that is correct. 2 nights.
Great. Can I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Let's stop here for a second. Donna, you said, I have a reservation.
Yes, this is a very important phrase. I have a reservation.
Let's say it slowly together. I have a reservation.
It means you called or went online before to save a room.
And I asked for ID. This means your passport or your driver's license. They need to know who you are.
Yes, they don't let strangers sleep in the beds for free. Okay, what happens next?
Next, the receptionist gives you the key card. Here is your key card, Donna. You are in room 302.
Room 302. Which floor is that on?
It is on the 3rd floor. The elevator is over there.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room.
Great. Thank you for your help.
Now Donna is in the hotel, but maybe she has questions.
I always have questions, Wilbert. For example, the internet. I need the internet to watch our YouTube videos.
Of course. So you can ask, what is the Wi-Fi password?
Let's repeat that. What is the Wi-Fi password?
The receptionist might say, it is guest 123.
Guest 123. Easy. What if I'm hungry? I don't want to leave the room.
Ah, you want room service.
Room service. That's when the food comes to your door. I love that.
You can call the front desk and say, I would like to order room service, please.
I would like to order room service, please.
Very good, Donna. You are becoming a pro traveler.
I try. Wilbert, what if I need more things in my room, like more towels?
Good question. You can say, could I have some extra towels, please?
Could I have some extra towels, please?
Or maybe you need another pillow. Could I have another pillow?
I love pillows. I want 5 pillows.
Sometimes things are not perfect. Maybe the room is too cold.
Brr, I hate being cold. What do I say?
You say, the air conditioning is not working.
The air conditioning is not working.
Or if there is no hot water for the shower, there is no hot water.
That is a big problem. No cold showers for me. There is no hot water.
The hotel will send someone to fix it. Don't worry. Now the trip is over. It is time to leave. This is called checking out.
Oh, I'm sad to leave the big bed.
I know, but you must go home. You go to the front desk again.
I say, I would like to check out, please.
I would like to check out, please.
The receptionist will ask, how was your stay?
And you can say, It was great, thank you.
Then you pay the bill. The bill shows the price of the room and the food.
And then you are finished. You are ready for your next adventure.
Let's review the key phrases one more time very slowly.
I have a reservation.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What time is breakfast?
Could I have some extra towels, please?
I would like to check out, please.
Great job, everyone. You are doing so well.
Now we have a question for you. Think about your answer and write it in the comments.
What is your favorite thing about staying in a hotel? Do you like the breakfast, the pool, or the big beds?
I like the breakfast buffet. I eat too much eggs and toast.
I like the swimming pool.
Tell us your answer in the comments. We love reading them.
Thank you for learning with Wilbert and Donna today.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.